TCO calculation. More than ink prices. Today's topic is TCO calculation. TCO stands for Total Cost of Ownership. In other words, the consideration of all costs associated with an investment. This starts with the costs for the purchase of the equipment itself, of course. It continues with the costs incurred for the maintenance and use of the equipment, and ends with the costs for the disposal of the equipment. It is also important to consider how much added value can be created with the equipment during its period of use. This is especially important at a time of transformation. The industry is changing towards digital production machines. You might question whether you should buy another conventional press or if it is time to switch to a digital one in your purchasing process. A complex issue that involves many factors, such as the setup of the company, the type and size of jobs being printed, external framework conditions, and many others. As every printing company is unique, there is not one correct answer to the question of which press is the right one for you. Due to the complexity of the subject, it is also not quite easy to develop a model that adequately takes all factors into account. In Gallis, you have a partner at your side who is happy to help you look at this topic holistically. We have developed a model that compares the different options: conventional, inkjet, and toner-based presses. In doing so, we take into account all the factors already mentioned and more, right down to the smallest detail. With your input and our experience, we can map your situation in the model and find the best solution for your company. Just give us a call and we will help you find a solution.